All right, I want to show you something cool in the new Nissan Frontiers. Nissan finally launched a tonneau cover in their accessory catalog. It's a tri-fold. Got these little handles here you can pull down, and they stow away nicely up in the rail there. Just pull it down, and you can fold this guy. See how lightweight it is? Doing this with one hand. And then you got the straps here, so if you need to leave it open, you can strap it down and then just reverse the order. Pop that guy out, pull it down, boom. This one's a little bit harder doing it with my, switch hands here. There we go. There you go, just like that.